Hi guys, welcome to Music Gym, the Academy of Music. I'm Ollie and I'm going to guide you guys through a short little lesson today on a Queen song called The Show Must Go On. So again, it'll be an interactive lesson, so follow what I'm doing, listen to me, watch the keyboard and see how I'm playing. We're going to start on a piano today, so find yourself a piano sound, let's sit comfortably in the middle, and I will put in the description how you can make it sound like the record. So when you hear me play it later on, it's going to sound like a really big sound like the Queen record. I will put that in the description, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video as much as you like. So for this song, it's a really iconic intro as you've just heard me playing. We'll look at the left hand first and we're going to keep this super easy. So what we're going to do, we're going to put our thumbs on B. So hopefully you're working where B is on the piano. And the pattern consists of 3 notes. So we're going to start on B and we're going to play B. And we're going to move this down to G. Then on last passing, we're going to go from E to F sharp and then back to E. So we're going to go down to E, F sharp, back to E, and that completes the cycle. So we're going to do that together and I'm going to count out loud. We're not going to use a beat for this one because there is no beat for this song. The beat is driven by the keyboard part. So I'm going to count out loud and say the letters. Make sure your left hand is on this position at home. Pause the video if you need to. Follow me, we're going to start on B. Ready, steady, B. Play. Hold that down. We're going to move to G. Play. Really good. Keep that held down. Down to E. Play. F sharp. Play. E. Play. Good, we're going to try that passing again and I'm just going to add some right hands so we've got some harmony to help us. Okay, we're going to start on B. Ready, steady, B. Play. G. E. F sharp. E. Good, so that's the left-hand part for the video. Rewind it, pause it, go back over it. I know we're going quick. We're keeping this a short and fun lesson for those of you who are picking up these riffs really quickly at the moment. Now the right hand, I'm going to show you 2 ways. I'm going to show you a simple way to play it, like I did here, and then we'll do it the original way. So again, it consists of 3 shapes. We're going to use those 3 shapes to create the big sound. So the first shape, just try and copy me at home. We're going to put our finger 1 on F sharp below middle C. We're going to play B with our second finger. Our finger 3 is on C sharp. Our finger 4 is on D. And our finger 5 is on E. Now for some of you this might feel quite awkward. So what I would say to do is hold this shape, pause the video and just get comfortable going up and down that shape as much as you want. Just until you feel like you're going to rest there and the fingers are going to behave. Now I'm going to play a shape on the piano. I just want you to pause the video if you need to. Copy the shape and watch the movement because this is really essential. This is how Queen and Freddie, when he wrote this song, really made this song have that suspense and the build-ups between each chord change. So we're going to start by playing F sharp, B and D, which makes a B minor chord, and we're going to hold that down together. Ready? And. Now all we're going to do is we're going to transition the top note from finger 4 to finger 3 and change to this shape. And we're going to do exactly the same thing again, but now we're going to change to finger 5. And then back to finger 4. Now I am going quick, but guess what? Once we've mastered this shape, for the rest of the song, it's nice and easy. So we're going to play finger 1, finger 2 and 4. And just think about the top note moving. So our fingers 1 and 2, they're going to stay locked in place. But what's going to happen is, it's the top melody and we're going to hear that melody of D, C sharp, E. Little mistake for me there, it's okay. So D, C sharp, E, and back to D. That's what we're looking for. So let's try that first shape together, just like this in the right hand. F sharp, B and D. Ready, play. We're going to change the top note to C sharp. Play. Top note to E. Change. Back to D. Play. And if you notice in my left hand, that's all over our first shape of B. Now the next shape, we're going to raise our thumb one space on the keyboard. So we're now at this place, but you notice I'm keeping finger 3 and 5 where they were. Everything stays the same. We're just moving that thumb to G, and we're going to play this the same pattern again, but on G now. Ready? This chord here, play. Change finger 3 on top, finger 5 on top, finger 4. Now at this point, if you're finding this really hard, don't even worry about the chord. You can just play at home, D, C sharp, E, D, and we can loop that round and round with the left hand that we did earlier, and it will still have the same impact. So let's go back to our second chord shape again. We're here. We're going to play a G chord, change to C sharp, change to E, back to D. Then we're going to move our left hands to E and play exactly the same pattern just once. Watch this carefully. We're going to stop there, so it's just a G chord, transition to C sharp on top, and then here the thumb just goes back to where we started on F sharp, and we've got a new shape of finger 1, 2 and 3, and this is an F sharp sus chord. I wouldn't get hung up on what it's about and the theory behind it. Just get used to that shape, and we can really feel how that harmonic tension wants to resolve here. So just get used to, again, these 3 shapes. This might seem quick now. You will see lots of points in a second. I'm going to pause this. But we can break this down into 3 clear sections in the right hand. We have this shape here with our melody, C sharp, E, D. Practice 1. Practice 2. Thumb moves to G. We're going to do exactly the same. So G chord, C sharp, E, D. We stay here. We're going to play half the pattern. We're going to transition to C sharp. Thumb goes to F sharp. Middle note moves to the black note. And we've got one final piece of the puzzle, which is the easiest part. We're going to move our hand down to E, below middle C. We're going to play this shape here, and then we just move the top note down to the black note here. So when you break this up into a practice, look at the practice video I've put up on our channel as well. And if you've not found that one already, make sure to watch it and see the PDF attached. Break it into 4 small sections. Make it manageable. Okay, I'm going to change my sound now, and this is really going to sound a lot better on our keyboards. So, shape 1. We can hear how those strings are really helping us with that chord. Shape 2. Move that top note down to E, back to D. Stay where we are. We're going to move the left hand to E, top note down. We stay there, and for our last shape, we're going to move to F sharp like we did earlier. Resolve. One more time to E. We're going to hold E minor in root position, and then resolve this again to that black note. So even though this seems really complicated, if we break this down into 4 small parts, just holding those shapes, you will master it. Just give yourself one practice at home. Can I get the first section right? Don't overcomplicate it, and you just have to replicate that 4 times. Now, once you've done it, all you do is exactly the same thing, but we're going to play Quavers in the right hand like I was doing in the video. Playing in a band with the right hand is just as effective as well. So we're going to play this pattern here, listen to the shape of the chord, and see how with the Quavers we just move that top note around. Hold that there. We're going to move our thumb to G, and we're going to do exactly the same thing we just did. Top note at C sharp, up to E, back to D. Then we're going to play the third pattern, where we're going to play half that pattern to C sharp. We move our thumb to F sharp. We resolve that to the black note in the middle, A sharp. And then for the fourth part, we hold down. So if you've managed to keep up with me for this part of the video so far, congratulations, it has been quite tricky. But what we're gonna do going forward now is if you wanna pause the video at this point and rewind, please do. If not, we're gonna go through that super slowly together, then with me at full tempo, and then you can unleash yourself and play The Show Must Go On by Queen. So we're gonna play really slowly together this pattern, get yourself comfortable, find a sound you like, and when you're ready, hit play here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, play. Left hand to G, change the chord shape. E in the bass, half a bar. F sharp in the bass, move that thumb. Resolve to F sharp major. Move down, E root. Top note. I'll do that again, and this time I won't talk so much. Ready, and. So good luck with that mini lesson here with us at Music Genie Academy. You're going to see me a lot doing these over the coming weeks. We're going to try and get lots of content out for you. Remember, like, comment and subscribe on the channel. Use this video, have some fun at home, and remember in the description, I'm going to tell you about which sound you need to be using. Good luck, see you soon.